What's up, ladies? It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back. Today, the company I will be working with is Unice Hair. Jumping right in, I got some cute little 3D mink lashes. They sent me an elastic band, a cute little pink satin scarf, and then, of course, the wig. This is their wig. This is the 13 by 4 reddish brown body wave wig. It did come in 24 inches and 180 density. Here I'm showing you guys the lace. It did come with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Jumping right in, those of you who already subscribe, you already know how I get down. We're going to cut off that excess lace with our eyebrow razors, starting on one side and then working our way to the other. Once we get all that excess lace cut off, we're going to go in with our even adhesive lace spray. I did try a different even lace spray this time. I seen that they came out with a sensitive formula, so I tried that bottle, and y'all, it was definitely given. So once I get through cutting off this excess lace with this eyebrow razor, and you can already tell it's giving scalp with nothing on it. You see a little bit of flashback, but that's about it. I'm going to take this Wonder Even Lace Spray. This is their sensitive one, and as you guys can see, all the things that it's free of, it's silicone free. And it's supposed to be the same hold as the regular one. I'm going to go ahead and start on one side doing 2 to 3 layers in between using my Songbird blow dryer. I'm going to use my blow dryer on a low heat setting, and I'm just going to gently place the lace into the adhesive until everything is laid down and tacky. Once everything is nice and secure, I'm going to move my way to the middle and then work my way all the way to the other side. You want to complete these steps until you get your whole hairline laid down nice and flat. Once everything's adhered down, we're going to get into parting and styling. Once everything is laid down, we're going to go ahead and press everything out with our hot comb. I did run my Remy wax stick up on my hair before I went in with my hot comb. I don't know why I didn't put that in the footage, but yeah. I'm just pressing everything out nice and flat. Y'all, Unice Hair, y'all did the damn thing. This HD lace was definitely given. I was definitely gonna do almost a no baby hair look, but I was on live and my viewers convinced me to do baby hair, said it would be cuter. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my part. Since we will be doing a pigtail look, I'm going to start with my middle part and just part that neatly down the middle. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull out my little baby hairs, since we are going to do some baby hairs before we get ready to mold these ponytails up. Once you pull out your baby hairs, just going to braid those down and tie all of that down with an elastic band to let that lace melt. Once we get that lace, once we get the elastic band on and the lace and everything is melted, we're going to go ahead and position our pigtails where you want them to lay, set those into place, and get ready to curl and finish up this style. Once I got all my baby hairs parted out, I'm going to tie all of that down with my 1/2 inch elastic band, and then I'm going to go in and part out my sections for my 2 pigtails. I did get my 1/2 inch elastic band off of Amazon. For anybody that's wondering, I do find that this is better to work with than the thick elastic bands because it covers up so much lace and you can't see. I'm just taking some little rubber band or black rubber band elastic ties to do my pigtails. I'm going to do one side and then do the other side once I get the liking of that. And I was already feeling it, as you guys can see in the video. I was feeling myself. But I've never done a pigtail half up, half down style, so this was very new to me, and it was very much giving Spice Girl vibes. I don't know, I was eating it up. I loved it. So once we get those pigtails up, we're going to let this band sit for about another 5 minutes, and then we're going to pop that off and lay these baby hairs. Once that's done, this is what the hairline is looking like, very much scalp. I'm just combing out my baby hairs, and they are kind of long, but don't worry, we're going to go ahead and trim those with our eyebrow razor. And we're going to go in with our Kaposi straightener, and I'm just going to pre-curl my baby hairs. I got this off of Amazon. If you guys want a direct link, just comment below and I will drop it. But as you guys can see, I'm just going in and cutting the hairs at an angle with my eyebrow razor, and then I go in with my Kaposi mini straightener and pre-curl my hairs upwards or away from my face. Once I get all of those pre-curled and they're nice and ready to go, we'll cut and then pre-curled, everything's ready to go. I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body setting foam, and this is what we're going to use to set our edges. I'm just going to go in and do 2 little simple temple swoops, and then some edges, or sorry, my sideburns. I don't know why I always forget that, but take your time, sis. I always say that. Take your time with your baby hairs because it can make or break your install. You want them to match or look somewhat identical. You don't want one baby hair bigger than the other or one longer than the other. It's not going to give when you're done. So once I get through with these baby hairs, we're going to get into styling, and I will be doing some light wand curls, and then that will be the completed look. Before I get into curling, I'm just going to pop into these cute little neon hair clips that I purchased from my local beauty supply store and just match them up, make them look nice and cute. I just felt like this would definitely give with the look. I don't know. It matched my outfit that I got today at Target, so everything was just going so well. It was just so cute. I don't know. It was giving me fun girl vibes. Now I'm going to take my Conair 1-inch wand curler and I'm going to curl my hair starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top. I am going to curl towards and away from my face in different sections. It doesn't really matter. This was kind of going for like a messy look, so it really didn't matter how you did it. But I did do small sections, and like you guys see, I'm curling away and then towards my face until I get all the way up to the top. I'm leaving my little pigtail last for me to curl. I am going to show you guys one whole side curled, and then we're going to come back with the finished look. Alright, so this is what one side is looking like once we've curled it. I'm going to go in and set all of that with some Sebastian Fix Plus hairspray. Y'all, I was in love with these curls, but I'm just going to run that spray through this side of the hair, and then we're going to come back with the other side completely finished, and that will be the finished look, y'all. Get into it, y'all. I feel like a little Spice Girl. I felt so cute. I feel like a little Powerpuff Girl. I don't know. Like the pigtails was giving. Um, Again, ladies, this is Unice hair. This is their 13 by 4 body wave unit in the color reddish brown. It did come in 24 inches and 180 density. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you a fan of the reddish brown? Are you a fan of the pigtails? Do you like this style? Should I do more styles like this? Should I not do more styles? Let me know what you think. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys are subscribing. Hit that bell so you guys get a post notification for the next time I drop. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. We're on the road to 130K. I'll see you later.